Hey guys, today I have a matching Whirlpool washer and electric dryer set, and right now it is filling up. Pretty heavy towel load we've got going in there, and we've got it set to heavy on a normal cycle with high and low agitation. Extra rand, so set that to off. Cycle signal, set that to off. Temperature, you can do hot, you can do cold. You're going to get all the second option there is the rinse temperature, so I just go cold, or do warm, whatever suits your needs there. Load size, now you do control how much water it's going to use. This can use full submersion all the way up to the brim, so I just pretty much set it at large. I don't like to overload the machines. This is a direct drive machine, so it can handle a pretty good size load. Super capacity plus, has a bunch of different options there. And it's filling up with water right now, like I said. So, well, I'm going to show you that it fills all the way up, full submersion, has a nice, strong agitation, has a fast drain, and then nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. All things you check out as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see that everything works perfect on it. Then when these are all done, we'll move them over to the dryer and show you that the dryer is working perfectly. That way, you know, when you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. So we'll let it fill up and we'll come back. Alright, we're back. Filled all the way up with water, full submersion on those towels. The agitator, you know these are working correctly, these two-part agitators. They spin freely clockwise and not back counterclockwise. If you have one of these two-part agitators on a direct drive system and it spins freely in both directions, your agitator's not working correctly and your clothes are not getting clean. A little tip there for you. So the noise that you're hearing, I call it an agitator kick, and that's what you want to hear. That's how you know your clothes are getting clean. Alright, we're moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle now. Just draining that water out nice and fast, you can hear. After it drains the water, it'll kick over and spin out and extract the used up water. And then it'll fill all the way back up, agitate for a bit during the rinse cycle, and then we'll be on to the final spin cycle next. Alright, drained all the water out, moving into the final spin cycle. Now I'll lift the lid up, show you that everything's spinning like it's supposed to. Of course the safety switch is going to engage and shut it down, but you'll be able to see that it is spinning nice and fast. You can see from the outside, nice smooth operation. And as the clothes spin out and more water is extracted, it spins faster and faster and faster. Should be up to pretty good speed by now. So go ahead and lift this up. You can see it's spinning nice and fast. So I'll let that go ahead and finish up, and we'll move over to the dryer. Alrighty, we got those clothes moved over to the dryer, out of the washer. You can see that's nice and clean. Come over here, matching electric dryer. Got it set time drying on a high heat setting. So you have 3 heat settings here and then an air setting, which is just an air fluff setting. No heat at all, super delicate items there. Wrinkle shield on off switch, and then end of cycle, you can turn that buzzing on or off. You've got your lint trap right here. You want to make sure that's clean and clear before each and every load. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So 75 degrees on top of the dryer, about 73 on the concrete floor. Let's go ahead and open this up. You can see it tumbling. Nice bright light. Super hot coming out of that heating element tube right there. That in turn is going to heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 all the way up to 195 once it's all done. Air exits there. Lint trap catches any additional lint. That's why it's important to make sure that that gets changed out right there. That's pretty much it. We'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day.